Are you struggling to change the language in the RedNote app to English? Well, I'm going to show you how to do just that, so follow my steps. Let's open the RedNote app on our iPhone or Android device, and then click here at the bottom right corner of the screen in order to get access to the profile. Locate this little gear icon at the right side of the screen, and that's going to open the RedNote app settings page. Since everything is in Chinese, look for the gear icon once again, and it should be the second option from the top. That will open another section in the app, so the next step is to select the first option at the top, and those are the language settings. Simply select the English option and that's it. But if this option didn't work for you for some reason, then open your App Store or the Google Play Store if you're an Android user, then search for RedNote. Find and open the app in your store and then check if it has any pending updates. You can see that it says Update, so just click on that button and then wait until RedNote updates to the latest version. If you didn't have this app updated, then maybe that's the reason why you didn't have the English language option, so update RedNote and then go over to the app settings and change it to English. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you soon.